Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Today we are going to solve some problems, some difficulties asked by our beloved students. This is my WhatsApp number 9825245816. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Be a part of our Rushi Parivar. I will send you practice and we'll solve your difficulties on board. Okay? You can give your comments below this video. Okay? And subscribe if you have not yet by pressing bell button. Okay? All are welcome. It is journey of knowledge. So this is the data. Okay. Today's topic is motion in one dimension. Okay. I assigned them 5 problems. Okay. They have asked me to solve 2 problems. This is one. Okay. A bus is moving along a straight road with a uniform acceleration. It passes through 2 points, capital A and capital B, separated by a distance. The distance is not given, okay? With the velocity 30 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively. Okay? The velocity at the midway is, we have to find out in terms of kilometer per hour. See, first of all, I will explain you this problem by classical method. Okay? And at the end I will give you a quick solution. Okay, that is right way to learn things. Okay, everything cannot be studied by shortcuts. Okay, so this is point A and this is point B. Suppose the distance is x. The distance is x. Let us consider a point. This is point A. This is point B. Okay. Let us consider a point P here. Okay. At distance x by 2. That is midway. Okay, they have given us velocity here. Say it as v1. Okay. It is 30 km per hour. V1 equals to 30 km per hour. Velocity here is somewhat more compared to V1. That is V2. So V2 equals to 40 km. And we have to find out velocity here. That is V3. That we have to find out. Okay? Understood the data? And this is the figure for the data. Okay? 2 points separated, 2 points A and B separated with some distance. I have considered that distance is as x. And midpoint, that is a distance x by 2 from A. Velocity here is given at A. Velocity B is given. Velocity at B is also given. And velocity at midpoint, that is point P, we have to find out. Okay. Now first of all, we know that for motion in one dimension with uniform acceleration, see here the acceleration is uniform. Okay. It is uniform acceleration. Okay. So we know that this is the formula. 2AD equals to V square minus V0 square, or say V naught square. Okay, so 4 points A and B. Okay, in that case D will be equal to X. We know that V is the final velocity. Here it is V2 square. Minus V0 is the initial velocity, that is V1 square. Equation 1. Okay. Now 4 points A and P. 4 points A and P. Okay. 2A. Here D is x by 2. Okay. X by 2. That is equals to. Now here final velocity is V3. So V3 square minus V1 square. Okay. So if I take ratio of these two, this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Okay. Taking ratio of equation 1 and 2. Okay, then 2A into x upon 2A into x by 2 equals to V2 square minus V1 square upon V3 square minus V1 square. Okay, so we can cancel this 2A and this x. So 2 will go in numerator, so it will be 2 equals to V2 square minus V1 square upon V3 square minus V1 square. Therefore, 2V3 square minus 2V1 square equals to V2 square minus V1 square. Therefore, this 2V1 square will go there. So 2V3 square will be equal to V1 square plus V2 square. Okay. This minus 2V1 square will be added here. Okay. So V3 square equals to V1 square plus V2 square by 2. Therefore, we can say V3 equals to square root of V1 square plus V2 square by 2. Okay. Now I will just put the values. Okay. V1 square is 30. So 30 square plus 40 square divided by 2. Okay. So we know that this is 1600, this is 900, so it is 2500. Okay. 2500 by 2, that is square root of 1250. Okay. So square root of 1250. That will be 35.5. This is the answer. 35.35 kilometer per hour. That is the answer. Okay. V3 equals to 35.35. That is B. Okay. Now see here. The quick method is, remember this formula. At midpoint, okay, the velocity will be equal to square root of V1 square plus V2 square by 2. You need not to derive this. Okay, directly keep this in mind that at midpoint, the velocity is square root of V1 square plus V2 square by 2. Bye.